Hello there YouTube land, and welcome back to the Small Workshop Adventures. This is another in the Woodworking and Wellbeing video series. It's a series that's all about particularly men's, but not exclusively to men. It's about well-being in our workshops, men in sheds, and all those things, all the subjects around how we can look after ourselves better. Just a bit of housekeeping. Please like and subscribe. If you're new to the channel, press the thumbs up. Really appreciate you clicking the thumbs up if you've liked the video and you've watched it, and please subscribe. Maybe you're new, or maybe you can share this stuff and to people that you know that might actually appreciate it. Big boys don't cry. Who said that? Who's heard that said? You may have even said it. I may have even said it myself. Big boys don't cry. I probably have actually at some point in my life. And it was something certainly that I think my dad subscribed to. Not as he would necessarily say, but he just got on with it. He just got on with things. And my dad's generation and my grandparents' generation. There's even a song, isn't there, about it? There's a really famous song, Big Boys Don't Cry. And yet, big boys do cry. Big boys do get emotional. But what often happens is we are maybe more secretive about our emotions. Maybe as men, as big boys, we do it in secret. We don't want anyone to know because that's embarrassing. Oh, no, I don't want to. No, I don't want to. So I will cry. I will get emotional, but I'll do it when no one is looking. I won't tell anybody. In the year 2020, there were 5,691 suicides in the UK. 5,600 suicides. And the Office of National Statistics, ONS, says that men accounted for 3/4 of them. That's 4,303 men versus 1,388 women. So there is more men that are struggling with this, and that will just keep multiplying around the globe. Wherever we are, that will keep multiplying. That number is that 3/4 of men struggle compared to 1/4 of women. So why is that? Why is that? Now, it's a really complicated subject, and there are lots of reasons about that. But I believe one of the big things is what saves lives is talking. What saves lives is just reaching out. And women and girls are far better than us men at doing that. They're far better. And I believe the stats, the numbers bear that out. They're talking more. And yet, we as men do struggle. And I think one of the most important things we can do here on this channel is reach out and talk. There used to be an advert here in the UK back, I'm guessing, in the 80s, I think. It was a BT advert. And I think it was, you can put these in the comments. I think it was Maureen Lipman, I think. I don't know whether that's correct or not. But it was loads of adverts for BT saying, it's good to talk. And it was just, she was always talking to her family members and the benefits of talking. I'd argue that, and probably I'd suggest that we communicate more now than we used to when BT were running that advert. We have mobile phones, we text, we email, we Instagram, there is social media, we Facebook, we do so many different ways of communicating. But are we talking? But are we talking? And our workshops and our sheds and our spaces that we come to are our safe spaces, but often they're places where we're alone with our thoughts, and some of those thoughts can be really dark. So I want to suggest that we reach out, that we do more talking. we do more looking out for people in our communities and in the places that we are, in our places of work and in our workshops. And if we are alone in our workshops with our thoughts, maybe just reaching out and talking can save a life. My name's Mark, and I've been working in mental health for over a decade now, and I've come back now at the age I'm at to my original trade, which is in cabinet making and carpentry and woodworking. And so this is about combining the two, and the two can be combined. It's not that well-being and mental health has to be somewhere in a clinic or in a doctor's surgery or something. No, we can bring mental health, we can bring great discussions around well-being in our sheds and in our workshops, and maybe just talking to your mates if you're there, talking in your sheds or talking in your workplaces when you're doing this stuff. Maybe you're on site, and maybe just reaching out to somebody and saying, I need to talk. And it's just providing that space. And if we can be providing that space to talk, then I believe we are going to transform men's well-being for the better. So please like and subscribe, click the thumbs up, press the subscribe if you're new to this channel. And this has been another woodworking and wellbeing video. And so from me, Mark, at the Small Workshop Adventures, take care everybody. Bye.